In this video, we are going to see how we can view the trending list on YouTube to find out all the trending topics or what is trending overall on YouTube. You want to check that? Here's how you can easily do it. First of all, just head over to the left-hand corner where you see this hamburger icon. Just click on that. And from here, you will head over to the Explore section where you can find the music, you can find live, you can find the gaming videos. And if you click on Show More, you will see this other topics as well. From here, whatever is your topic, for example, you want to see what's trending in the fashion and beauty, you click on that. And in this particular section, there contains different further section of the trending videos. Similarly, in let's say sports, if you click on that, these are all the highlights and these are the trending videos so far. So now you get different topics or sections like top stories from the athletes, trending and all. Similarly, from the gaming, this is the featured section and these are the trending videos so far. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.